Warning, the future of studio-grade AI video creation just got unreal. Because every time you post another average reel, recycled stock clip, or basic Canva slideshow, you're not standing out, you're just blending in. And in today's online world, blending in means disappearing. Let's face it, the internet is drowning in the same boring 1980s style videos, overused stock footage, template-driven graphics, generic motivational videos everyone has scrolled past 1,000 times. And guess what? The algorithm doesn't care. Your audience doesn't care. And your competitors, well, they're happy you look just like everyone else. If you're creating videos like everyone else is doing, you'll keep getting the same dead-end zero or very low engagement levels. Now, imagine what if you could be a part of the never-seen-before AI video revolution, where one prompt turns into a full studio-grade 4K cinematic videos in seconds. Say hi to AI Clips, brand new, ultra-fresh clip-to-cinema AI engine that instantly creates scripts, voiceovers, music, characters, and full video clips from just one prompt. With this by your side, even newbies can create studio-grade 4K AI videos from a single input without drowning in expensive tools, hiring unpredictable freelancers, spending hours learning complicated software.